Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, I want to show you all how you can search for liens that may be attached to properties that you are interested in investing in. Now, this is important because when you go to purchase a property, or even once you get to the point to where you want a clear title to a property, liens will always be the number one thing that may stop you. You want to make sure that you do your research before you sign on the dotted line for that particular property, or even before you apply with the state. You want to make sure you know what you're getting yourself into in regards to the property, or even financial mishaps or things that owners may have had that you didn't know anything about. Because, of course, you don't know the owner that's attached to the property, you don't know their financial situation, and you don't know what they have been through in their life. So there could be divorces, there could be extra family members that has a stake in that property. So you want to make sure that you do the best research that you can. So today I want to show you all how you can look up liens that may be attached to properties. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I am using Jefferson County, Alabama's official online record search, because I know that a lot of you all apply for properties in Alabama, tax sale properties specifically. So let's look at how you can determine if a property has a lien on it, and also determine if that lien has been paid off. So this is the website that I use primarily. If I don't use this website, I would go in person to Jefferson County's probate court. And I would suggest that if you are interested in investing in another state, please go to the probate office in that county. They can give you any information that you may need about liens or anything that's tied to that property. Any public records are tied to that property, they can get you that information, and there is a fee for that information. It won't be free. For the purposes of this video, when you go on this website, it is free to view this information, but you will have to pay a fee if you want to download any of the official documents. Now, normally when I would go on here, I would already have the property's address and the property owner's name, because you will have that information once you're trying to apply for that particular property. For the purposes of this video today, I'm going to use a random last name just so that we can search for any type of liens that may be attached to the property or that person. Now, I don't necessarily change anything here. I just keep it as the same. But for the document type, so that I can get just the information that I want right now, I would look for any type of liens, deeds, mortgage liens, mortgage satisfactions, hospital liens, foreclosure deeds, and things like that. So today I'm going to look at the lien release or satisfaction right here, and lien judgments. Now, you want to make sure that you look also for lien releases or satisfaction, because for instance, an individual may have a lien from 2001, but they may have satisfied or taken care of that lien in 2005. So that's something that you want to make sure that you know, because that's going to be great for you. I'm going to change this date right here to something that is more up to date, so that we don't have to wait that long for it to load. Okay, so down below here, the results are going to return you any liens or judgments that are tied to that particular person. Now, I'm going to click right here. These are some sewer liens, and I'm just going to click here to show you all how those would look. So this is a lien that has been unpaid or delinquent, and it's tied to that particular person that we clicked on. So this is tied to that particular person here. You want to make sure that the lien is not tied to the actual property. Most sewer liens will be against the parcel or real estate that you have in mind. There's something to keep in mind, because you cannot sell a property until that lien is taken care of. And normally, when you purchase a tax lien, that lien is still going to be tied to that property. It will start to affect you once you go to clear title, or once you go to buy the property outright. But normally, this website and this document will show you how much the lien is, and if this individual satisfied this lien, when you go back here, there would have been a lien release or satisfaction for that particular individual. So what you could do is look up to make sure there's a lien release or satisfaction on file. I'm going to look for another type of lien for the purposes of this video, that could hang you up in the long run once you're trying to get a property. I'm going to go right here to, let's go to this one here. This would be another type of utility lien against a property. This would be from Alabama Gas. This was back in 2021, well, 2015 actually. This was back in 2015. So this would be how a Alabama Gas satisfaction would look. So this is an actual utility lien that has been satisfied and paid off for this person. Now let's go and look for mechanics liens. Now mechanics liens are usually liens that are placed against a property by a contractor. So a roofing contractor or a plumber or something like that may attach a mechanics lien to a property when a owner has not paid for the work that was performed. I'm going to actually go to Shelby County, Alabama's search, because they actually have it where you can actually search for a mechanics lien. So this is their website. I'm going to actually go in here and I'm going to agree to their terms. And we're going to go in here. I'm going to go to advanced search. Now, I'm going to click here for mechanic liens. And I'm going to go on the last name. I'm going to use that same last name that I used on the last screen. I'm going to use that here. And we're going to do a basic search. I'm going to actually put in from 2015 to present. And let's see. So here are some mechanic liens that were recorded during that time. So here's one that was recorded in 2023. And as you can see, this mechanics liens was actually placed on file for $25. And you can actually click here if you wanted to get more about this lien. And you can also do the same thing that you would do on the other screen, and you can actually download this information, go to Shelby County, Alabama's website, and get that information from probate. So this is just an easy way that you can go about searching for liens on your own before you reach out to a real estate attorney, which I suggest that if you are going to actually buy outright and you're going to use a closing attorney, definitely let them do a title search and do this for you. It will save you a lot of time in the long run. But if you're just trying to get a tax lien property and you just want to know what's readily available and what claims are against a property, it's really easy to just go to the county where you are located or where their property is located to find out more information. So I hope this helped you today. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And please make sure that you continue to stay tuned. And please leave a comment with anything that may be helpful or wrecking your brain that you may need help with. And I can make sure that I read that and get back to you with an updated video. Thank you and enjoy your day.